Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set screen lock password for Samsung TV. How you can set. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Here it is, the settings button in the remote. You have to press on settings, then press down. Here it is general settings, then you have to click on right side. Here it is system manager, click on it, press OK. Here it is change pin, you have to tap on it. From here you have to write here, enter your pin, 4-digit pin, and your password for this is set for your personal identification number. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.